Yeah, thank you for having me. I'm Yannis. I'm the co-founder and CEO of aqora. And with aqora, we help corporations get winning results quickly by constructing, launching, and managing quantum computing challenges across industries. Why do we do this? If you consider an industrial company like BMW, they want to explore and understand how quantum computing can be beneficial for their business, they are being faced with a lengthy and costly process right now. For each use case, they usually want to work with multiple external parties to really understand the state of the art and benchmark different solutions against each other. If instead, or as an addition, they want to hire their own quantum expertise in-house, they're also being faced with a lengthy process in which they first have to understand the profiles of potential candidates and then find those. With our online competitions platform, they can save money and time, get the best results, and work with the best talents from a global community. And if they post their use case to our platform, they don't only benefit from a variety of solutions, but they also benefit from a continuous stream of solutions. That means whenever there's a new advancements in technology, either on the hardware or on the software side, they can see how it impacts their business metrics on which each solution is being evaluated. We are building an IP and hardware neutral environment and help companies, support companies based on their quantum maturity. With this, we see ourselves in a unique position in a niche market as an application-oriented development tool. And that is a sizable and growing market, expected to grow a lot by 2023, by 2030. We haven't started aqora from nowhere, but actually built on experience by running quantum hackathons under the brand of QuantX. During those past hackathons, we have already worked with more than 60 Fortune 500 companies, addressed more than 40 real-life applications. And we will keep having more hackathons in the future and see aqora as the perfect operating system for these in-person events as well. We have started developing our platform late of end year and are currently transitioning from an early alpha to a beta phase. By May, we will have our next hackathon and then want to transition into a stable and public release phase of our platform. Towards the end of the year, we want to integrate with quantum hardware providers as well, while before we are focusing more on the enterprises who bring the use cases and the quantum experts who provide the solutions. In the end, we want to build a platform where all necessary parties can meet to explore the useful, to build useful quantum applications. And we won't stop there. Over the next few years, we see our business evolving from a competition-centered business model to a quantum algorithms marketplace. Positioning ourselves and building aqora as the online community platform for quantum computing, we see ourselves in a strong position where people can host, develop, and share their quantum solutions. We will make them easily accessible to consume. aqora has been founded, built, and is operated by a team with very strong backgrounds. We bring good expertise in quantum computing, software engineering, and business. And before I stop, I also want to announce actually that today we released the first real use case onto our platform. It is a clinical trial optimization by Engenii, which is also a quantum computing startup. You can access it from the link on the QR code. And with that being said, I'm Yannis. I'll be around and happy to chat. Thank you very much.
So maybe before handing over the questions to the jury, just quick ask, how much are you willing to raise?
Right, so we have already raised 600K and would have a ticket open for another 100K. 100K, yes.
So Q&A from the jury, Jean-François?
Thank you. What is the exact business model? What type of things do you sell, services? I saw that you have a very big TAM of $5 billion already.
Right. Right, so the team is actually, it's the 3 on the left side, they are full-time, the others supporting more as advisors. And what we are selling actually is access to the platform to host use cases. So you're actually paying for hosting the use cases, which gives you access to the crowd.
Is it a flat fee you charge the corporate, like, and how much you want to charge per month?
So we have two models. One is the pay-per-use, where you pay 10K to host 1 use case for half a year, or you pay 30K to have up to 5 use cases for the whole year.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Xavier?
Are you planning to include an open source approach? And how do you position yourselves against platforms or communities like the Unitary Fund in the US, which is now also in Europe?
Right. Open source, as in, you mean we are developing our platform open source, or?
Creating a community of open source technologies that people can pick from in your marketplace.
Yeah, I guess this is where we will be going. So this, if you go like towards 2027, this will be kind of this hugging phase for quantum computing, where people can share their algorithms with us and develop them with us. So far, we are seeing ourselves more as a layer on top of GitHub, and we don't, I mean, we would encourage people to provide the solutions open source, but it will be up to them how they can submit with us. And the other part of the question,
Hi, thank you for the pitch. What are you hoping your user base to look like when you launch in May, and how do you see that growing over the next 12 months, for example?
Yeah, so for this phase and this year, we are hoping to have 500 active users by the end of the year. Those will be mostly people we work closely with and have academic backgrounds. And then over the next years, we have some estimates. I think like in a few years it will be in the 10 to 100K users that we are targeting on the quantum expert side.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yannis.